Mathematics is a beautiful subject. Learning of mathematics becomes interesting and enjoyable using hands-on activities. Today, we are going to see the visual representation of algebraic identity a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. For verification of this identity, we will be using set of unit cubes. What is a unit cube? A unit cube is a cube of 1 unit. You can choose the dimensions of the cube as per your convenience. For this activity, we have taken a cube of dimensions 1.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. You can choose the dimension of a unit cube as per the availability. For this activity, we have to verify the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us assume the values of a and b. We take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So, a plus b will be 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So, a plus b whole cube, which is the left hand side of this identity, will be 3 cube, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. So, we will be taking 27 unit cubes and representing a plus b whole cube. As you can see that we have a cuboid of dimensions 3 by 3 by 1, and we have to make a cube of dimensions 3 by 3 by 3. So, we will be adding more unit cubes to it so that we can make the representation of a plus b whole cube, that is 3 cube, which is equal to 3 by 3 by 3. This piece is representing a plus b whole cube. Now, we have to verify that this is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. For the representations of terms on the right hand side of this identity, first of all, we will make a cube. Here, a is equal to 2, so a cube will be equal to 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Let us represent a cube using the set of unit cubes. This is how we are representing a cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2. This cube is having the dimensions 2 by 2 by 2. It is representing a cube. Now, we will be making 3 pieces of a square b. A square b meaning we have to make 3 pieces of dimensions 2 by 2 by 1. So, we will take more unit cubes and make 3 pieces of dimensions 2 by 2 by 1. This is one piece representing the cuboid of dimensions 2 by 2 by 1. We have to make 3 such pieces so that we can easily represent 3a square b. So, we have made 3 pieces of a square b. So, this is one a square b, this is second piece of a square b, and this is third piece of a square b. Now, we have to make 3ab square. That means, we will be making 3 cuboids of dimensions 2 by 1 by 1. So, we will take more unit cubes and make 3 pieces of dimensions 2 by 1 by 1. This is one piece of cuboid of dimensions 2 by 1 by 1. We have to make 3 such pieces. So, these pieces are ready. So, these three cuboids are representing 3ab square. Now, the last piece is we have to take b cube, that is a cube of dimensions 1 into 1 into 1. So, this is a cube of dimensions 1 into 1 into 1. Now, we will verify whether by joining these set of pieces we are able to make a plus b whole cube. So, let us join these pieces. This is a cube, these are the three pieces representing a square b, that is 3a square b. We have put all these unit cubes. Now, we will take up 3ab square and place it like this. Now, one piece is left. So, you can see that a plus b whole cube and the shape which is obtained by joining a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube is exactly same as a plus b whole cube. This verifies our identity. You can suitably choose the values of a and b and verify the algebraic identity. Thank you.